Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. And today is another collab, because you know it's collabs. I just make up songs and it doesn't even matter. We are doing collabs this month. So I am doing a collab with a new wig bae friend, and her name is Faye. You can also call her Boom, okay? I will link all of her deets and connected socials and where you can find her and everything down below. I just love her energy. I like what she has to bring. She has a really unique voice. We actually talked about doing a collab, and it was interesting because we were talking about like what the theme would be, and she was saying like, you know, do I like red or, you know, maroon colored wigs, or like the 99, not the 99 days, but like red wigs. And I really didn't, but I had a couple maroon colored wigs. So I'm like, they've been sitting here, so if she likes maroon, then I'll like maroon and we can do maroon. And then I thought, well, we could do like maybe a fun monochromatic thing. But then she sent me a picture of the wigs that she wanted to review, and I had ordered this wig here, and it came in the wrong color, and I was super annoyed by that. But she has a wig from the same company, different wig, so this is going to be two videos, 2 wigs, same company, same color. She had it in the same color, and I thought, well, wouldn't that be really cool if we do 2 wigs from the same company in the same color, but different wigs? That seemed like a lot. Oh my gosh. So she thought it was cool, and I thought it was cool, and it really like brought me out of my comfort zone, because I would never have really I actually was just going to sell this wig and not even review it. So thank you, Faye, because I'm really happy that I reviewed this. I'm so grateful for the collab. And after you're done watching my video, or before you watch my video or whatever, just make sure you go over and say hey to Faye and give her some love. And so let's just get into it. Okay, so the wig that I am reviewing is Outre. Outre is on fire. I just have to tell you that. But this is Outre's Lysette. I have her in the color DRFF/RedVelvet. Okay, and Lysette is a part of their lace front wig line with their eye-shaped parting. I absolutely love this line. Every single wig that I have gotten from this line I have loved, and I think I've kept every single one. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees. It comes in quite a few colors here. I got her from Miz Barn for just $18.90. So let's talk about her. This color is stunning. This is an actual red, like a cherry red. Part of the collab is not only just the wig, but also makeup that pairs with this red color. So I will talk about the wig and then I'll get into my makeup. But this wig is stunning. It's sombrered in. It definitely has sort of a number 2 root and sombrered in to just this, like, it is like a red velvet color. It is a yaki textured wig. It does give me similar look to Free Tress's Valentino, which is one of my favorite wigs ever. It's thicker than Valentino and a little bit more textured than Valentino. It's given that same general vibe, so if you like Valentino a lot and you want something that's a little bit more upgraded, a little bit more elevated, then this would definitely be an option. I do have a brand new Valentino that I just got because I love her so much. And I was going to do a video of like what's so great about Valentino. So I can maybe compare these two and what they would look like. Side note, another video. Let's look at her from the back. Oh my. That color is stunning. Movement is beautiful. She is, you know, thicker than Valentino. She's, you know, she's not an overly thick wig. I think she's just a perfect thickness. Oh my gosh, if the hair was up like that, it'd be so cute. So cute. I'm digging this color a lot. I didn't think I would. I don't like maroon colored wigs, but I think this, you know, this is more of an actual cherry red. And I do love that it's like sombrered in. You can see it's all rooted. And I think that makes a huge difference. It's not tangling too bad. It's more my nails that are catching. But I would, if you have not tried this wig, I would 100% say scoop it up, especially if you can scoop it up for, I got it for under $20. Like, that's a steal. I know it's not a brand new wig, but still. I think this like soft wave pattern is just so pretty. It's going to be in that 18-inch 16 to 18 inch, because this is all the hair to the front. These pieces are shorter, so let's, yeah, look. So let's talk about the makeup that I chose to go with this wig. If I were to wear this wig out, I probably would have done my, you know what, I feel like I would have done my brows darker, but no, I kind of like the lighter brows with like red or darker wigs. I think it looks kind of cute. So what I'm wearing for makeup right now, on my eyes, I'm using the Juvia's Place, the Taupes palette. This is one of their 6pan palettes. These are fairly inexpensive. I used this color, this color, this color, and these two colors all over. Okay. And I also used two colors from the Juvia's Place Nubian 3 Coral. They weren't really necessary for the look, but I just went ahead and used them. I went ahead and used this color here on the bottom lash line, and then this to deepen up the corner a little bit. On my waterline, I am wearing my favorite eyeliner of all time, and this is ColourPop's BFF Gel Cream Liner in the color Venus, just on the lower waterline. I really love red in my waterline. I know, hey, Kit Kat. Kit Kat's chewing on wigs. I know it can give me a slightly sick look, but I don't really care. And then on my lips, I am wearing the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Lady Balls. Stop it. And I use the liner Maybelline's Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner. Stop it. Kit is just on fire today. In the color Very Cherry. Because I find with red lipstick, you definitely need to use a liner. And then lashes. I am wearing the Lily Lashes times Sephora in the style Miami. Welcome to Miami. So yeah, so that's what I have for you for this review. If you have this wig and you have thoughts, go ahead and put that down below. If there's another Outre wig you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. Check out my Outre playlist first, because I have reviewed quite a few wigs. If you haven't checked out Faye, go ahead and do that too. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, that's what I have for you. So I will see you in my next video. Kit Kat. Bye.